Hey there, tech fans. Rick here again with another review, and today I have the EcoFlow River Mini Portable Power Station. I'm going to give you 5 good reasons why this may be the perfect portable power solution for you to take with you pretty much anywhere for a long afternoon out with family and friends to keep all of your thirsty portable devices fully charged. Now, the unit itself has got a lot of unique features built in because EcoFlow has packed a ton of technology into this product to make it incredibly easy to charge and even easier to charge devices off of it. And it all starts with the internal capacity. This product provides 210 watt hours of internal stored capacity and can provide 300 watts of external charging capabilities to all the devices you plug in. The key is this will charge all those devices simultaneously. A lot of other portable power stations on the market may limit the number of ports or the number of devices you can charge simultaneously off the unit. With this one, you can charge 8 different devices at the same time. Another key feature is the variety of ports that EcoFlow has built into this product, because with the expansion of all the portable devices we're bringing along in an afternoon, there's all kinds of different connections that are needed that have different voltage requirements and current requirements, and EcoFlow looked at that and built every conceivable port you'll need into the unit to charge anything you bring along, starting with a full-size 12-volt port right there, just like the one in your car. It's a 12-volt port at 10 amps, which means anything you plug into your car, you can plug in right there, and you can charge it off the unit. They've also built in a collection of USB ports over here, starting with 3 full-sized USB-A ports that are each 5 volts at 2.4 amps, which is the highest current you can find on a USB-A port. So anything you plug into a wall charger today, your phone, your tablet, your game console, your camera, you can plug into one of those 3 USB-A ports and charge that device to your heart's content. And you can charge all the devices at the same time. Another big innovation in this particular product that EcoFlow's included is the USB-C port right here. And the reason that's important is because a lot of modern devices that take advantage of quick charging require a PD port, which is power delivery. That's a power delivery port, in addition to which it can supply 100 watts of charging capabilities, which is incredible for a USB-C port. Most other portable power stations that may include a USB-C port are probably 20 watts, 30 watts, maybe 50 watts if you're lucky. So having a port that can supply 100 watts of PD power through a USB-C connection means you can charge anything out there that connects through USB-C. Larger tablets, laptops, cameras, game consoles, anything that requires that level of current. So you've got plenty of connections on the front for DC. They've also included 2 full-size AC ports on the side. These are 120 volts at 60 hertz, and again, 300 watts combined between those 2 ports. The key there is a lot of other portable power stations use what's called a modified sine wave, which isn't a pure sine wave, and that can cause issues with some of the sensitive electronics on the market. EcoFlow has built in a pure sine wave generator on the side, which means you can plug anything into those outlets that you'd plug in at home as long as you're under 300 watts combined. So all the ports together give you pretty good charging capabilities with plugging in cables. There are 2 models of this product available. I have the wireless version in front of me. If you purchase the wireless version, there's also a Qi charging pad on the top right here that if you have a phone or a tablet that charges wirelessly, you can drop it on the pad. It'll start charging through that Qi connection. So overall, you've got 8 different connections to the unit that you can charge external devices from. Another key feature is the fast charging capabilities. You have a choice with this unit of charging it at home with an AC outlet and you plug it right into the side of the unit. You can charge it in your car with a DC cable, or you can charge it from a solar panel. So you have 3 different ways you can actually add electrons to the batteries and charge those up. Another cool feature is if you plug it into your car, it'll charge through the unit, meaning if you plug it in, it'll charge the unit, but all the ports become active at that point. So you could essentially plug it into your car and expand the number of ports you have in your car to include all the ports on the unit, so the kids can plug it in the front, you can put something in the side if you've got a power supply, you could plug another thing in here, all of those become live. So it allows you to basically take 1 port in your car and expand it to 8 different ports for charging different devices. Another key feature that's built in is the fast charging capability of the unit itself. The product can actually charge to 80% in less than an hour. No matter what depletion level it's at, plugging it at home, and within an hour, it'll be up to 80%. You can get a full charge in the unit from completely depleted up to 100% in about 90 minutes. So that's a major benefit, because a lot of the other portable power stations on the market could take a couple of hours to charge, and you don't want to sit home waiting for it to charge up before you head out and have some fun. So knowing I can charge this to 80% in less than 60 minutes means I plug it in, I have a cup of coffee, I unplug it and take it with me and just enjoy the afternoon. The last thing I want to mention, and this is something that's missed on a lot of the details on the portable power stations out there in the market, is the battery management system, because the intelligence inside this unit really keeps track of how the unit's being charged, and it actually contours the electronics so that the voltage and current come into the batteries to safely and quickly charge them. But it also monitors all of the things that are connected externally, because all those devices may require different voltage and current depending on their charge level. So if you plug a tablet in and a phone in, they're going to need different voltages and current. The unit is smart enough to know that, and it will handshake with that device to find out what current and voltage it needs and deliver just the right amount of power to that device, at all 8 of them at the same time. So it's incredibly smart from that perspective, and it's incredibly safe. It uses internal batteries, which are lithium polymer. They're NCM batteries, which is nickel, manganese, cobalt, which is one of the latest formulations for those batteries, which means they're going to last a long time, they're incredibly safe, and you're going to get a lot of charge cycles out of it. So all those things being equal, really put this in a class unto itself. A lot of other portable power stations out there may have some of those features, but for me, this is small enough, it's powerful enough, and it charges everything I want to bring out for an afternoon of fun. So hopefully you found this review helpful. I really enjoy doing these kind of overviews, so these details should be important if you're considering a portable power station. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and until next time, stay nerdy.